Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply any number with 99. In this example, 145 times 99. Step 1. Insert a separator before the tens digit of the multiplicand. So that's between 1 and 4. Step 2. Add 1 to the number before the separator. So that's 1 plus 1 equals 2. Step 3. Subtract the sum from the multiplicand. This gives the left side of the answer. So 145 minus 2 equals 143. Step 4. Subtract the last digit from 100. So 100 minus 45 equals 55. And that gives the right side of the answer. And the final answer is 14,355. So 145 times 99 is 14,355. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.